when we look at these structures, we see we have carbon chains and we have some halogens that we're going to add with the numbers. On our first one, it looks like it's a 5-carbon chain. When we look at the lowest number combination possible, the bromines are on the 2nd carbon and the methyl is on the 3rd carbon. So that first one, remember we have to have 2,2, dibromo, then the methyl is on the 3rd carbon, methyl pentane. All right, for the next one, we have a 6-carbon chain, so that's going to be a hexane chain. Right, when we look at the lowest possible combination again, right, we